feeling bloated, sluggish, or just not yourself? What if I told you that revitalizing your digestive system could be the secret to unlocking more energy, a stronger immune system, and a happier you? Stay tuned, because today I'm revealing the best gut health tips for fast digestion and total wellness. Your gut is called your second brain for a reason. It's home to trillions of bacteria that impact digestion, immunity, mood, and even your skin health. An unhealthy gut doesn't just cause discomfort, it can slow down your entire body's performance. Tip 1. Load up on fiber. Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria. Add more veggies, fruits, chia seeds, and oats to your meals. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Water keeps everything moving smoothly. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day to support digestion. Tip 3. Include fermented foods. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are packed with probiotics that your gut loves. Tip number 4. Manage your stress. Chronic stress can destroy gut health. Practice deep breathing, mindfulness, or just take a walk in nature. Tip number 5. Consider gut health supplements. Sometimes our diets alone aren't enough. That's where powerful natural supplements come in, to fill in the gaps and speed up your gut healing. Recommended gut health supplements. To fast-track your digestive wellness, check out these highly recommended options. Gut Optim, Advanced Gut Support Formula, Sinogut, Natural Digestive Health Blend, and Prodentim, Oral and Gut Probiotic Support. Links are in the description below. Trust me, your gut will thank you. Ready to revitalize your digestive system and fuel your total wellness journey? Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more wellness tips, and don't forget to check the description for your gut health essentials. See you in the next video.